Hi guys, welcome to the final part and I congratulate you for making it to this final stage. So it's a Camillus here, the founder of Online Hustle Mastery. So if you are here, I will want you to do me a very big favor. So the first thing I'd like you to do for me is to come right here to my channel, go to YouTube, search for Online Hustle Mastery. You are going to see me with this my famous follower. You click on the subscribe button, and after clicking on the subscribe button, you click on the bell notification icon. Is that okay? Click on the bell notification icon and you click on the all so that each time I drop awesome videos about making money online, you are going to be paid, or you are going to be informed whether I've been used to with money. So I'm talking about being paid. So that is that. Thank you for subscribing. So let's get back to what we're talking about. So if you look at here, you will see that I have a balance of $24. Okay, I have a balance of $24 total bounty. So there are two things. Commission is being paid when you help somebody sells their product or their services. It's referred to as commission, like if you are versed with affiliate marketing. But bounties is promoting a services owned by Amazon. So let us go straight to look what is bounties. But the first thing to do is you are going to come here, you create an Amazon account. So you are going to be creating an Amazon associate account. It's like an affiliate account for Amazon, whereby you can get to promote products from Amazon, or you can get to promote Amazon's own services. So if you look right here, you see that I have two accounts. You can see Camillus 20 and Camillus 0620. So this the first one, Camillus 20, that I'm using is for test. I just want you to see that it is working. Now, after creating your account, this is how your interface will be. After you click on these three dots up here, all right, let me just easily navigate it for you. You click here. So now, after clicking them, the next place you are going to be checking out, you can see bounty programs. But before you go to all of these, you need to set your payment or withdrawal method, which is select gift card. I will recommend to select gift card. But if you want to receive your money through a US bank account, then it is easy. You just come on my channel. I have made a video about that, okay, about how to create a foreign bank account. So let us go to this channel. So this is the video here. Create a Pioneer bank account. All right, get a US bank account easy. So come here and look for this video and watch the video. You'll be able to create your own US bank account, and you can withdraw your money from the US bank account directly to your local bank account here in Cameroon, or you can withdraw your money from any ATM. Is that okay? So let's get into the video. So you click on Amazon Bounty Program. So after clicking on Amazon Bounty Program, this is where the money making is coming in. Remember, you registered for wedding and you registered for baby. So I'm going to tell you what happened. So before we go in, we should look at what is Amazon Bounty. As you can see, the Amazon Bounty Program offers fixed commissions in bracket bounty when visitors try and or sign up for valuable services and programs. The bounty is triggered when your visitors complete an action that is part of the program. For example, if you direct your users to the Prime Video link and they sign up for a free trial, you receive a bounty. So these are now the bounties programs that you see here. You can see this is a bounty program. This is another one. This is another one. So you can go on. This is baby registry. So you can see this is baby registry. After creating an account, you will click on get link. But let me open it or let me click on see all bounties. Okay, so let's wait for it to load so that we can be able to see all of them. Is that okay? All right, so now they are being loaded. So you can see earn a bounty for every purchase you drive of the Prime gift membership. So if I wanted to promote this, I'm going to be clicking on this. So you can see this one was launched on Amazon this year. So you can see this is it. That was February 2022 and it's ending this year. So these are opportunities that people don't know about it, and you can grab them at any time that you are informed, like you are being informed. Now, so that this video is a little bit long. Is that okay? but it's very important. Like explain things for you to really understand. Those are development programs. Some of them are supposed are going to be paid. Like you are the person who is signing up needs to pay before you can get some kind of heavy commission. So let me take for example this one. You get $5 bounty for each qualifying audible plus free trial. Free trial means the person is going to pay, and then 10% bounty for each qualifying audible plus paid membership. So somebody that will sign up a free trial, you get $5, and when they now pay, you get $10. So that's just how it is. I would like us to go down to where we have that of wedding that we just did today. No, this is not it. This is not it. Okay, this is baby registry. Remember you did baby registry. Look at earn or rather $2 when a visitor creates a registry. So long as somebody creates a baby registry, you get $3 straight. Alright, this was launched in 2014. It has been ongoing and many people don't know about it. So let us go and look for wedding on so that you can see that this too. I think this should be it. No, this isn't it. Let's go up again. I don't know if it's down. Okay, this is this. Create an Amazon wedding registry. So earn $3 bounty when a visitor from your site creates a registry on Amazon. So they haven't said that pay for or subscribe for a free trial. So they say when they create a registry, you earn $3. So that is that. So all you have to do is what I did by click on get link. When you click on get link, you click on short link and then you copy. This is your short link. You copy it. Is that okay? You copy it, or you click on highlight and then click on copy. This was the link that I copied and then I shared to you, and all of you did. Now suppose that you register for wedding and for baby registry. It means for each person $3 times 2 for each person. It means you do the baby and you do the wedding. I'm getting $6, which means 10 persons doing this successfully will give me $60. And then that simply means that if I have 50 persons doing that, it is simple. Go to your calculator and you are going to multiply $6 per person. Sorry about that. 6 times 50 persons. That is going to be giving me $300. And if you go to Google today, as of this moment, which I'm recording to, which is 1 a.m. in the morning, you are going to be seeing that if you convert dollar to CFA, as of now it is 6.55. It means our $300 is going to be giving me 196,000. So that is how you can make free money with this program. So all you have to do is you have to go and create your account on Amazon Associates. Then you carry on with the process. Is that okay? So when you do that, your money is going to be reflecting to your account after 24 hours. So that's just how it is. So all of you that sign in with this new account, the money is going to reflect, and I'm going to post in the group for you to see. If you have any other question or any other worries, please do reach out to me for you to get clarification. And there's one more important thing which I'm going to tell you. When you are creating your account, you will reach out to me and I'll give that to you. Like there's a place they are asking to put your website there, or no other I'll give to you. So reach out to me so that you know that you have watched this video till the end. So have a wonderful day ahead. Today is already Saturday. I will be traveling this morning for my uncle's burial. When I come back in the evening, we are going to meet because I hardly sleep, guys. So have a wonderful day ahead. Stay blessed.